Before we can build a dynamic, complex web app, we're going to need to understand how layout and composition works, and that really starts with HTML and CSS. But what exactly is HTML? If you're an existing web developer and are already comfortable with CSS and HTML, you could go ahead and skip through to the next video if you'd like. But I think there's some salient points here, especially as it relates to ASP.NET 5, that might make it worth your time. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's an angle bracket-based structural language for describing what a web page looks like. It is derived from SGML, so it has a long history of being a markup language. We can see that angle brackets are used to create a hierarchy or a parent-child relationship with containing elements. The HTML contains both a head and a body section, and that the body contains an H1 section. The angle brackets containing the name is how it starts, and then starting with a slash and then the name is how one ends. These angle brackets don't assume that HTML is XML. If you're a developer that has used XML in the past, you may feel comfortable to think about them in a similar way. But the differences are that HTML is not case sensitive. So HTML doesn't care whether the head tag is all caps, all lowercase, or mixed case. Different kinds of elements in HTML have different closing rules. Some elements have to be self-closed, like the image tag here, and some have to be closed with their own ending tag, like the script tag here and the H1 tag here. You'll just need to learn which is which. The Visual Studio and VS Code editors can help you validate the HTML, but it's still going to be up to you to understand which ones are required and which ones are not.